Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Yaks Fitness YouTube channel. It's Chris Yakimchuk here, the owner. I have Hiab with me, beside me. In the whole series, we've been performing here all the pieces of machine. Today, shoulder press machine, and she's gonna show us how to do 15 correct reps. Now, setting up the machine, full range of motion, regardless if this was dumbbells or a barbell, full range of motion down to approximately your chin level. And she's about ear level, so indicates her seat's a little bit low. So let's jack this up a little bit. Sure. Okay, so now she's gonna be able to get, it's actually, if anything, it's a little bit high, but that's okay, because she already knows she's going to go down to chin level. Don't go too low, put your shoulder in a vulnerable position. So let's go here. The Atlantis equipment, just so you know, it has a foot pedal, or you can take the preload off. So why don't you use it? Let's show our viewers how this works, because this is kind of cool. So she could actually take the preload off, so I don't need to give her a boost if she was using a lot of weight. Once she's in there, she has the full load. She's getting a full range of motion right to the top, and then she's gonna come down to about chin level. Nice. And you could probably go a little bit faster. And that's just a nice simple 1-1 tempo. Full range of motion, looks really nice. If she was using a really, you know, her max weights where she simply wouldn't want to put down the weight, she would use this to get out of it as well. So it's a nice feature, and you could maybe demonstrate that when you're done, even though she's using a lighter weight. Let's pretend this is super heavy and you're like, oh my God, push it all the way and then get out of it, and then she can set down the weight instead of just causing excess strain. Nice job.